What's up, everybody? Day 30 of my 75 hard challenge, and today I'm going to talk to you about BoneFrog. Have you heard about it? Well, I'm doing a Navy SEAL obstacle course on March 5th, so anybody who wants to challenge themselves and come join me, love to see it.
We came into this knowing that we were going to finish this particular race as a team. We knew that we were going to do this in a way that really respected and honored what has been sacrificed to give us the opportunity to come here. You know, that sort of support for our veterans and those that have sacrificed their lives.
BoneFrog is the, if I can see if I get this right, so it's for fallen Navy SEALs. It's the highest honor that you can give a Navy SEAL. And typically, the SEALs that come back, they will get a tattoo for a fallen SEAL. And then a lot of the proceeds from the obstacle course goes to the families of Navy SEAL officers or former Navy SEAL officers. So anyway, thank you to my trainer Heather for getting me into doing the obstacle course. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and of course we decided why not pick the hardest one and do the Navy SEAL one, right? So March 5th, BoneFrog. You can go out to, I think it's called bonefrogchallenge.com, and yeah, man, love to see you. Maybe you guys come out, support me. I think Heather's gonna do it with me and maybe one other person, hoping to get some more people out there. But don't be intimidated because it says Navy SEALs. It's gonna be fun. And by the way, we're just doing the sprint, which is the 3 mile. It's about 20 obstacles. We're not doing like Ultimate Warrior. Yeah, no, not ready for that. Too old for that.
You will experience what it takes to be one of the best and feel the teamwork and camaraderie of the Navy SEALs. This course will test and inspire you to realize you can do anything you set your mind to. Welcome to BoneFrog.
Anyway, that is day 30. We'll see you tomorrow.
Loving it. It's had so much fun.
There's something about the local feel, the scenery of the mountains. It's more than just a canned kind of race.
Today I was able to do things I never thought I would do before.
Go for it. It's a great challenge and fun.
All the obstacles are great. This is my 4th year in a row. Loving it.
Awesome. Absolutely awesome. You got to do it at least once in your life.
The race was amazing. My team and I, we had a fantastic time out there just pushing ourselves.
Doing it with the guys that I'm with, you know, I was able to get it done.
Martin, I really like the idea of the SEALs kind of putting it together.
So emotional because of why we're doing this. Go by the flag, and it's just the end. You have the Navy SEALs that are giving you your medals and hugging you. You can't do it by yourself. You need your teammates.
Meet a lot of new people, and they encourage you going up the hills and the obstacles. You want to do it, and you get it done, and it's an amazing feeling.
Just knowing how tough this race is and how challenging it is, you can't get this at home.